Hey everyone, Alex here. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest free way to record your screen on Windows 11, including audio. Let's jump in. So we're going to use a little application called the snipping tool. And you've probably used this for screenshots, but a lot of people don't realize that it also works really well for recording videos. So just open up your search bar at the bottom and type in snipping. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to default open to the screenshot one, which you can get to with Windows plus Shift plus S. But if you click on this little video icon here, there's also a recording option where you can basically do the same thing. So let's go ahead and hit a new recording. You can draw a shape to select the area of your screen that you want to record, and then you can go ahead and click start. So if we go ahead and click start here, we'll see it gives us a countdown. It even records our cursor. It shows us a little red box on the area that we have. And on some versions at the top, you'll even have the ability to add in your audio device. Mine's not showing up right now because I'm using my audio device for this other recording. But at the top, you'll be able to select that. And we can go ahead and click stop here. So here's a different example I just made on a different desktop that shows things a little bit better. So you'll see here after we've saved it, we'll see here it says the screen recordings are automatically saved to your recordings folder. You might wonder where that is. All you have to do is click on the three dots at the top here and you can go ahead and see your screen recordings. But let's say that we want to trim things a little bit. Well, you can just use the trim tool at the top here. You can just drag it in from the side and that will crop where the video starts and where it ends. You just go ahead and hit apply and it's done. It's really simple to edit. If you need to do things a little bit more involved, you can use this built-in Microsoft tool called Clipchamp, which you can just get through the Microsoft Store here. I'm going to go ahead and click open here. You do have to sign in with Microsoft, so let's go ahead and do that. So I just signed in and now it's getting things all set up. Asks you for a little bit of information on what you want. I'm going to just click on a couple random ones here. Now let's try clicking it again, edit in Clipchamp here. Then it'll import that actual video that we just had. So now we've got a bunch of interesting commands we can do. We can, change things in the audio. We can do more editing here. We can mute it. We can split things. There's all sorts of fancy things. I'm not going to get into that. I'd recommend, watching a Clipchamp tutorial video. It's even got, auto captions. So a lot of pretty cool stuff that you can do here. I just wanted to highlight that. So just to summarize, snipping tool is your best friend for any kind of screen recording that you want to do. You can also use the hotkey Windows Shift R. Hope this video helped and see you later.